How to buy Shein gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can buy Shein gift card. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in Shein gift card. Once done, you will see buy gift cards by Shein. Just tap open the link. From here, you can select the design. You can enter the email address of the recipient and the person who is sending the gift card. If you would like to add external messages, tap on add a message and type in your message here. Once done, check the box that says I have read and understood all the terms and conditions and tap on checkout. And now you have to get logged into your Shein account and then you will be able to purchase a gift card. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.